Okay, dividing fractions. The first thing you have to remember is anytime there's a whole number, put it over 1. So 3 divided by 1/4 is 3 over 1 divided by 1/4. Next thing you have to remember is to keep, change it, and flip it. Okay, so if we do that, 3 over 1, we are keeping. Division, no, we are changing that. So division changes to multiplication. And then 1 over 4, we are flipping. Okay, so we're going to flip that to 4 over 1, and we get rid of all this. Now we can multiply across. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 over 1 equals 12. There it is. Okay, next. Okay, sometimes you put the fraction first, but it's the same step, so you write out your problem, 4/9 divided by 8. And what did we say our key is? Anytime there's a whole number, put it over 1. Okay? Now we're going to keep this son of a gun, so 4/9 stays the same. Oh, we're going to change this, Kentucky Chicken Fried, so we change this to times. And we're going to flip this 8 over 1, and we're going to flip it to 1 over 8. And then we get rid of all that mambo jamba, and we multiply across. 4 times 1 is 4. 9 times 8 is 72. Now we happen to have something annoying here. We have to simplify. So what goes into 4 and 72? Hint, 4. Okay, always try the numerator. So 4 divided by 4 and 72 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 72 divided by 4 is 18. Now, if I were you, I would have done this, 72 divided by 4, and I would have figured out 1 goes into 7, 4 goes into 7 one time. Minus 4 is 3. Bring down the 2. 4 into 38 is 8. That's where you would have got the 18. Okay? And finally, let's do one last problem. If I have blank divided by 1/4 and it equals 8, what is it? Now, you should notice that anytime we have a whole number as the first number being divided, we get another whole number. But anytime we're dividing a fraction, we get a fraction. So if my answer is 8, I think this has to be a whole number. So what would I have to get 8 new parts? So if I have, let's say, 2 square pizzas and I want to serve 8 people, and I broke them into fourths, I could serve 8 people with 2. So 2 over 1 divided by 1/4 is 8. That's what you do on these problems. Okay.